Hi, 8th graders. I'm going to go over numbers and operations quiz 4. This is scientific notation. So as you can see, we only have 3 quizzes left, and if you are just joining or you haven't really figured out how to do these, I'm going to show you. So you're going to click on numbers and operations quiz 4. It will automatically pop up with the quiz, but in order to do well on the quiz, you got to know what you're doing. So right here, so under quiz 3, this is where quiz 4 starts. So this is where you can watch videos to help you with the practice assignments. And if I scroll down some more videos, another practice assignment, scrolling down here, more videos, more practice assignments, more videos, more practice, or one more practice assignment. So all of this right here, all of these videos and practice assignments are made to help you get 100% on this quiz here. So that's why I go through on these videos and do some of these assignments here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one here. Multiplication and division with powers of 10. Click practice here. Okay. Alright, so select the expression that makes the equation true. So we have 9 times 10 to the 9th power times -2 times 10 to the 3rd power. So which one of these does this equal here? Okay. Okay, so select the expression that makes the equation true. And here I have this. Choose one answer. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of rearrange this here. Let me use yellow. So I'm going to take this and this number right here. Okay, so 9 times -2. Okay, and then times 10 to the 9th power times 10 to the -3rd power. Okay, so I took 9 and -2 and kind of put those at the front here, and then now I'm going to do 10 to the 9th power times 10 to the 3rd. Alright, I'm just going to multiply this here now. So I'm going to take these two. 9 times -2 is, and I don't think it'll let me write in there. It does not. Okay, so that's -18. And then now I'm going to do this over here. So previously we had been working with exponents. If we are multiplying with exponents, then our base number stays the same. Our base number is 10. So I'm going to keep that there, times 10. And then we simply add our exponents. So 9 plus -3, which would give us 6. So -18 times 10 to the 6th power. Alright, and there's the answer right there. So let's see if I'm correct. Check. Voila. Alright, next question. Alright, 9 times 10 to the 7th power is how many times as large as 3 times 10 to the 3rd power? Okay, so and it says choose one answer. Okay, so what are we looking at here? How much bigger is this than this over here? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do first. I'm going to look at those numbers right in front of 10 to whatever power. Okay, so 9 and 3. Okay, so I know that 9 is 3 times bigger than 3. So my answer is going to be either A or C, because 9 is definitely 3 times bigger. Okay, now what about, now I'm going to look at my numbers with exponents. Okay, so it's obviously bigger over here. This is a way bigger number than this one over here. Well, we're just going to like multiply those. So what does that give us? If we have 10 to the 7th and 10 to the 3rd, we're going to subtract it. So that way we can see how much bigger this is. Well, 7 minus 3 is 4, so my answer would be A. Alright, let's go ahead and check it. Voila, it says right. Alright, and I think I'm going to leave this here.